in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block third-party cookies in incognito mode on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings near the bottom of this menu. On the left panel now, you want to select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right side underneath Privacy and Security, select Third-Party Cookies. Select where it says Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito mode, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.